Hello, everybody. Nice to see you. Let's sing hello, and then we'll do some playing together. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello. And wriggle hello to everyone. Wriggle hello to everyone. Wriggle hello to everyone. Wriggle hello. So I said we'd do some playing, and you might remember last week we did some playing with water, didn't we? We poured the water and we did all sorts of nice things with soapy water in a big bowl. And it would be lovely if we had some sand, but it's quite difficult for people to have sand in their own houses, isn't it? Because sand gets into everything. I expect you've been to the beach when sand gets into the sandwiches as well. So can we think of something that's a little bit like sand that we might have in the cupboard already that doesn't use anything that we have to buy? We can play with all the things that we've got around us, just like we did with water. So let me see. In the cupboard, I've got a big bag of very cheap rice. Rice is something we eat, isn't it? But if we don't use too much of it, we can play with it as well. And maybe later on make something for our dinner too. Rice, nice white rice. And here are some lentils. And lentils are a lovely orangey colour. They're called red lentils, but they look more like orange colour to me. 2 packets. What are we going to do with them? Well, I think it's a good idea if you have a tray like this, maybe. Something that's got a little edge on it, so that when you're playing, you can keep your things on here, and all of the rice and the lentils don't fall off all over the place. Quite a good thing to do on the kitchen floor because it's easier to sweep up. So what are we going to do first? Let's get a bowl. I've got a plastic bowl here, which is probably quite a good idea. And let's see, put some rice and some lentils in. Let me feel it. I think the first thing to do is to feel it. Feel it with your fingers. Is it soft? Is it hard? Does it feel like water? No. Does it feel like sand? A little bit. Well, I've got a big handful here and I'm squeezing it. And then I'm going to let it trickle through my fingers. Wow. There's lots of nice things to feel. And then I thought I might use something that otherwise might just get thrown away. A box that maybe had mushrooms in it or strawberries perhaps. And I've put some of those orangey coloured lentils, you can probably see them through the side, in there. So I've got a bowl with some rice in and a box with some lentils in. What do I need next? I might need something else. So I thought maybe spoons would be a good idea. And I've got a big metal spoon, a little plastic spoon, one, and a wooden spoon. Wooden spoon would be fun for making pretend cakes. And these two would be great for doing scooping. I wonder if they'll sound the same or if they'll sound different when you're playing with them. So what else could we use? You could use a real saucepan or you could use a toy one. I've got a toy saucepan here. Here it is. I'm going to scoop some of my lentils and pour them in my saucepan. Oh, I think they might be ready to do a bit of pretend cooking soon. What else could I use? I wonder if I was doing pretend cooking, I might want to put some sauce in. Not real sauce, pretend. I'm going to open the bottle. And do you remember we had that thing called a funnel when we had water? I'm going to try it here because then I've got a wider top again. I'm going to pop it in. I'm going to put Some lentils on my spoon. And pour them in. And going through the funnel into the bottle. I think my sauce needs a bit of a shake. I better not shake it without the lid on, though. This is a good bottle. You might be able to find a bottle that you can put a lid on to. Give it a shake, and then I'm going to pour my sauce that I made into my saucepan. Here it goes. Beginning to smell quite nice. What else shall I put in? A little bit of this and a little bit of that. I can put some rice into that one, some lentils into that one. Oh, what else have you got in your house? Oh yes, look, there's, I think it had hummus in once, but now it's my special mixing pot. And this is my special juicy sauce. And in this one, I think I might have some dried little flakes to put into my cooking. And do you know, when it's all ready, I might serve it up and I might put it into, oh yeah, well, maybe a bowl, or perhaps into some cake cases like this. Paper ones, I could have them when I'm doing my baking. It makes me think about a song, all this talk about cooking. Do you remember the one about let's make a cake? Let's sing that one together, and then we'll think what else we could do after that. Let's make a cake, let's make a cake, put in all the things that we like best. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. And what shall we put in next? So what would you choose to put in the cake? You were making the cake. Would you put some ginger or some flour or some chocolate, or maybe some strawberries? And then stir it again. And we will stir in the strawberries, stir in the strawberries, stir and stir and stir and stir and let's make a cake, let's make a cake. Put in all the things that we like best. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. And what shall we put in next? And you can go on with that song and put lots of different things in. And I've just decided I'm going to, when I've finished baking all my cakes with my lentils and my rice, I'm going to make a shop. So what could I use in a shop? Well, I might use a box. Maybe I'll make some biscuits and sell them in here. What fun, putting lentils and rice into my box. Closing it up. Hello, anyone want to come to my shop? It's going to be open in a minute. Maybe I'll make some tea as well. I've got a tea bag box here. I think I might use rice for that. I'm going to put some on the spoon. Ready? Anyone want to come to my shop? Oh, look what else I've got. Here's something else you've probably got at home that you could use. I've got a bag. It's a paper bag. I'm going to put some sweeties in the paper bag. Here we go. In we go, the sweeties. Here you are. Close up the bag. Bags are noisy, aren't they? Close it up. That'll be £5, please. So many games you can play with the rice and the lentils. And have a look at the recipe in the newsletter, grown-ups. See what you can make for dinner with the rice and lentils. For real dinner, not just pretend. But let's have another song. Let's sing a song about what should we play with today. Ready? What shall we play with, play with, play with? What shall we play with on this fine day? Let's play with lentils, let's play with rice. Let's play with lentils on this fine day. We pour it and trickle it and stir it and pour it pour it and trickle it on this fine day. And one more thing to show you, something you can make for your shop to pour perhaps some of the flour, pretend, or some of the eggs or some chocolate sauce down. So for this bit, you would need a tube and some scissors. You need to cut it down both sides so that you cut it in half. Let me show you. Here's one I made. And you've got a special chute, a slide, a bit like a marble run, only it's going to be the rice and the lentils run. Shall we have a go and see what happens when we pour the rice and the lentils down? Ready? Pouring them out my tea bag box now. Whoa, there they go. Quite fast. If you don't want them to go too fast, tilt it a bit. Then it's not so steep. If you want to, you could roll some other things down your chute into there as well. Or I can just think of a lot of other games coming into my head. Imagine rolling a little car down into the lentils. Perhaps it would be in the sand, in the desert, who knows? Lots of things to think about. But now it's time for us to stop, and time for us to say goodbye. So I hope you've enjoyed playing with lentils and rice with me and have fun doing it at home as well. Ready? Wave goodbye to everyone, wave goodbye to everyone, wave goodbye to everyone, wave goodbye. Kiss goodbye to everyone, kiss goodbye to everyone, kiss goodbye to everyone, kiss goodbye. Bye from Claire and Judy in the toy library, and see you again soon. Have fun.